Wow! I look beautiful. Cheese.
So that's your video, yeah?
Yeah. Today I did my makeup all on my own. Like, look at my face, like I got some blush and no blush, and I love it.
Wait, welcome back to your channel.
Yeah?
No, this is my channel. Welcome back to Ayope.
No, welcome back to Mickey Maya Davis.
Okay, right. Okay, welcome back to our channel.
Both of us.
Both of us, yeah?
Opie and Ira and Michaela and Maya Davis.
Yeah, the Davis family. So today we have the beautiful
Michaela and the beautiful mummy with some makeup and a wig.
Thank you, Michaela. So we've got the beautiful Michaela on our channel, and we've got you here today because it's going to be a very special day for her.
Tomorrow's my birthday!
And you are going to be how old?
5.
5. So today we decided to ask her a few questions, you know, and get to know her a bit more. And we just want to introduce you to our family who are on the other side of the camera.
And I did some makeup today.
Yes, Michaela's very happy because she did some makeup today because
I put lipstick, eyelash, blush, and what's the other thing?
Foundation.
Foundation.
So you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mummy won't wear my makeup on because then it will stay on forever.
Yes. Good. Okay. So I've got.
You want your makeup to stay on forever?
No, my makeup's not gonna stay on forever, but I'll rub it off after we do this video. Yeah.
What happened to it?
Jesus. As you can tell, she's excited. Maybe Mickey's excitement for birthdays actually comes from me because I love birthdays. I love surprises. I love celebrations.
But you don't like airplanes.
Yeah, I don't like airplanes. Exactly.
And when you're like, and when we went to Cyprus, I said, Mummy, what's wrong?
And then how was Mummy acting?
She was like, just acting really shy.
Really? I was just really scared, wasn't I?
Yeah.
Anyway.
When we landed on, you were still crying, but when we got in the house, like, you was just happy.
I hope this girl doesn't expose me today. Like, the amount of things that she's saying. Okay, all right, let's ask. My first question, Michaela, what has been your favourite moment when you were 4 years old? Like, what's the funnest...
No, I know.
Okay.
When I got my presents, when I went to Cyprus and I got my presents.
Was that your favourite moment?
Yeah.
Oh, how did you feel?
I felt surprised, and my favourite part was when we stayed at Cyprus.
Yeah, this girl, she likes to live her life. So maybe next holiday. Where's our next holiday?
Maybe when it's your birthday or my birthday, your birthday or Daddy's birthday or my birthday. What's that?
You can go to where?
We can go like to Dubai or Australia.
Dubai or Australia. Daddy, Dubai or Australia. That's where we want to go, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Michaela, can you do an impression of Daddy?
So what?
Like, show me how Daddy acts.
Hello, Mickey. Hello, Maya.
And then he does what?
I need to wash my hands first because I went to work.
Okay, what does Daddy even work as? What's Daddy's job?
To make sure everything is fine.
Aww. What's Mummy's job?
To make sure everybody's okay at work.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Can you do an impression of Mummy?
Okay. Mickey, Maya, I need to wash my hands first. I went out.
Everything is about washing hands. Why are we doing so much of washing hands?
Because today we're in a bad mood.
What? Huh? Why are we in a bad mood?
Because today we have coronavirus and there's germs.
There's germs in the country.
Yeah.
So the government
The country there's coronavirus in the whole country.
Okay. So who is funnier out of mummy or daddy? Say it so people can hear. Say it.
What?
Why is mummy funnier?
Because like when Daddy told me that joke, like that was not really funny, but your joke was funny.
Thank you. So when daddy told you that joke, it wasn't really funny, but my jokes are super, super funny.
Because you're mommy.
Because I'm mummy. Can we give them a dab?
Dad.
Hey, hey. Who farts the most out of mummy and daddy?
Daddy, because when we were doing that interview, Daddy just farted.
Daddy likes to fart at me.
Yeah, he farted.
You don't go and lie down there, please. What is something that mummy does that you don't like?
When she shouts at me.
When I shout at you. Why do I shout at you?
Because I be naughty.
Be naughty, okay. What do you love about your sister?
Because she's so cute.
She's so cute.
Yeah.
Why is she cute?
Because when you saw her, like the first time I saw her, she was so cute, and she wanted Daddy. I said she wanted Daddy, but Daddy was at work, I think.
So the first time you saw Maya, how did you feel?
I was like, oh my god. She's so cute. She's so cute.
You thought she was so cute?
Yes.
Is she still cute?
Yes.
Aww. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a cleaner.
Jesus. What? Why?
Because I like cleaning.
You like cleaning, but when I ask you to tidy your room, you're always like, oh, mummy, why doesn't Maya tidy up? I don't like tidying up.
Okay, I might be a cleaner. But just when sweep and and then you just tidy up the other things.
Tidy up the other things.
Like, so I just sweep and they brush people's hair. And,
So Mickey,
I can be a hairdresser.
You can be a hairdresser.
Yeah.
Okay, that's another job.
so Michaela, you don't want to be a doctor anymore.
No, I want to be a hairdresser. I really want to be a hairdresser.
So why don't you want to be a doctor anymore?
Because that's boring. You just need to take care of people.
Is that boring, taking care of people?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think mummy and daddy do on this camera? What do you think mummy and daddy do on YouTube?
They do videos.
About?
Marriage.
Yeah.
What is marriage, Mickey?
Or when you get married.
Who gets married?
You and Daddy.
So, what about other people? So, what does a marriage...
Everybody gets married.
Everybody gets married.
Yeah.
So, what do you do when you get married? What happens when you get married?
We get a baby, but I'm so scared when I have a baby. If they cut my baby, then they just get it back and stick it back on.
Stick it back on?
Yeah. Mommy, did that happen to you?
Oh, Mickey, so how do you know that happened to me?
But did that happen to you?
It didn't happen to me. So sometimes there's different ways of having babies. Some people have babies, they have to take the baby out. Some people, they have to push the baby out. So for you and Maya, they had to take you both out. And then when I saw you and Maya, I was so happy.
Mommy, does that hurt? Is it gonna hurt for me?
It's not gonna hurt.
Maybe you'll be there.
Will I be there?
Yeah.
Of course I'll be there. I'll hold your hand. I'll be there.
Injection hurts me.
Injection hurts you. What injection did you have?
When I went to the hospital and then remember I had a mask and then I was just looking for the unicorn and then I just looked at an injection and then I just did that. That was not funny!
It was funny because they said to Mickey, look at the unicorn. Look in this book, try and find the unicorn. And while she was trying to find the unicorn, she's like, is there? Ow!
It's not fun.
Mickey, I want you to say something nice about me. So what's one thing that you love about mummy? And then after, I'll tell you one thing I love about you. Or should I tell you one thing I love about you first?
No.
Okay.
I'm just gonna act it, then you need to guess.
Okay. Am I cooking?
No?
Ludo.
Yes!
Mickey. So if I didn't play Ludo with you, you wouldn't like me anymore.
I will still, but only if I get another game.
Okay. So show me how much you love me then.
As big as the whole world.
You love me as big as the whole world? Oh, I love you too, my baby.
How big?
How big? This big. Big, big, big. More than you can even think of. Like, if we joined all our arms together, it still wouldn't be big enough. That's how big I love you.
But do you love me as a big house and the whole earth?
Yeah. So let's say bye to everyone now because we've finished our interview. How do you think
Oh, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. Bye, guys, and peace.
Peace. But we didn't even say bye properly first. We have to say, this has been the interview with
Michaela
and
Mummy. And maybe in the next video you might see my sister, my Nonna.
maybe. Mickey,
What about Daddy?
And Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. We forgot to show our secret handshake.
Oh yeah.
Me and Mickey have a secret handshake, but we're gonna let you guys see it. One.
No, in the next video.
What?
The next.
No, let's show them now.
No, I
Come on, Mickey. I don't even remember how does it go again? Like this and then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and. Love you.
It's not funny.
Bye, guys.
Peace. Mommy wants to see this video. Peace.